Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully back with another video. We are doing the analysis for April the 19th, 2021. If it's your first time here at the channel, I appreciate it. Thank you for coming through. If you do like the content, please leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment if you want to see some other pairs you'd like me to go over. But for the ones who's been here, I do these usually for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday sessions. They're pretty quick. I like to be straightforward and concise. And usually it's gold, EU, and maybe another like US 30, GJ, something like that thrown in there. But yeah, that's it, man. So I do these all the time. I do put them in the analysis group. So if you're looking to get some analysis, or you're looking for a place to go to kind of go over some pairs before the sessions, you can click the link below. My analysis channel is there. It's completely free. So there it is. So let's get it going. So we're on gold right now, and I'm gonna start on the daily. So we had a nice rejection right here today. I'm not ready to call sales yet. We do have equal lows right here that we could target, but I'm not ready to call sales. I do need to see another day of drop. So I would like to see it run through this level and kind of like stay like right here at this price point. And then maybe on Wednesday, we can get a run through this level all the way down here, okay? So H1, this is what I mean. So right now, we had, for this bull run, we had the higher highs, higher lows, everything like that. You can see that right here. So this right here is going to be a shift in market structure if we don't get a higher high, okay? So if we get somewhere like this and it comes up, maybe reaches this level and then starts to break down, you know, that's going to be a shift in market structure. And at that point, you know, if it runs below here and holds for the day, then I'll be ready to take a sell on Wednesday. And this is what you want to do, guys. You want to let these setups play out. You're not going to catch a move every day. You can try, but you're going to take some losses. So you just want to wait. That's why I would say just pick 1 or 3 pairs to go over, just so you don't feel pressure to always take a trade every day, you know. So I mean, if you're looking for this, you can take the sell if you see it, you know, but I would personally wait. And then we have a whole liquidity pool down here, zone, whatever you want to call it, that we can target for Wednesday, okay? M15 right now, we have a tight Asia range, nothing happening too much. So per usual, if we're looking for shorts, we want to see a stop hunt high and a drop. Usually gold moves in the New York session, so I would look for it around like, you know, 7:30 to 9 Eastern Standard Time, okay? All right, let's move to EU. EU has just been a beauty. So this has just been running up the whole, I think the whole month's been bullish. Yeah. So the whole entire month's been bullish. I mean, with like barely any drawdown. But daily wise, I mean, it's pretty concise what we're looking for. We're still looking for buys. We can target right here, this level right here. After that, you know, right here. So I'll make a little zone right here. H1 wise, strong momentum candles, strong pushes up, beautiful. So we take our fib, and this is gonna be a big range, but I probably want to see price get down here to the equilibrium level. This is also gonna be a zone flip. So lots of confluences right here. If it drops down, look for price to get between the 1.999990 price point, and it can bounce off of this level for a zone flip or the equilibrium. All right, M15, much of the same. So I kind of want to see if this is going to go high and then drop during London, then move during New York. But regardless, you don't want to take a buy. Price is way too high right now. So just wait. See if it comes down, excuse me, see if it comes down here to the equilibrium, maybe get a bounce off this level. If it goes a little lower, that's fine too, as long as it doesn't come like all the way like down here. Then I'd be kind of worried, but anywhere in this level, it's cool. All right. I do want to take your attention to Bitcoin. So I don't usually do the crypto analysis, but this is looking crazy good. So we got equal lows down here to target. We've had what, 1, 2, 3, pretty much a whole week of drop. I know it's Dodge Day tomorrow, but you might want to sell Bitcoin as well. So we do have a strong stop hunt right here. And usually I would say they're not going to release these traders, but with Bitcoin, you just never know. And this has been holding structure the whole entire time. Look at this. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. So we don't want to see price get above this point, because then that might negate our short bias. So going into tomorrow, I'm going to take a low from here. So anywhere within this sell zone, low risk sell zone, it's cool. Like I said, if it gets above here, then I'm probably not gonna be looking for sells anymore. If it comes like up and straight back down, then possibly, but preferably I want to see it come down here, and I'm targeting all the way down here. So, and I'm probably gonna hold till it does. So I'm looking at Bitcoin tomorrow. Trade that carefully. It's not going to be the same lot size. So play around on demo first. If you don't know what lot size to use, you might need to use a 0.02 or 0.03. That's plenty for Bitcoin. So just be careful. Treat it like a US 30 or something like that. But yeah, that's going to be it. So I say stay patient on gold. EU is definitely a buy. Bitcoin is a sell. So you heard it here first. But yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Quick video, quick analysis. If you like it, please drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. It's cool. But besides that, it's your boy Kyle. I'm out. Peace.